Hey, Goldie wants y'all to know that the struggle you're in today is the strength you need for tomorrow. That's right, so let's keep singing until we develop that voice that we are working so hard for.
I ain't charge it up though. That's what it is. Unless you wanna. Check it out, man. I sing this song right here. I wanna dedicate this song, man, to people who lost loved ones, Have you ever loved? Have you ever loved? Have you ever loved? Have you ever loved? Have you ever lost? Have you ever loved? Have you ever lost someone to mean the world? Have you ever? Feel like me, let me feel. Have you ever lost someone when they mean the world to you? When it hurt you so damn bad, you wish it wasn't true. Have you ever lost someone? Have you ever lost that one when they mean the world to you? And it hurt you so damn bad, you wish it wasn't true. Say, what do we do now? I say, what do we do now? We pray to the heavens above. Check on me, my mom's gone. He's all I need. I call on him in the morning time, in the evening time, in the midnight hour. He won't let me down. Always around, never put me down. Our Father in heaven, when I pray to above, I hope you answer my prayer. Not a often, but
Now sing it free. It's a free song.
okay. We mean,
Free. Like the actual free.
check your man. My Father God in heaven right now. I pray that.
Sing it.
Say that. I can't remember how the Lord's Prayer goes.
Play it over right quick.
Word.
So the reason why I say that because it was leading in that that's a different song. Oh, it was leading in that direction.
Word.
I don't know the
That's what I was
exact
trying to
words,
sing.
but I want you to be able to figure it out and put it in there. So what do you do know? That's different.
No, that's it.
It's okay. So listen to the beat. Wait for it to kick first. Like, but I want to see how you sing the Our Father prayer.
My Father, our Lord in heaven.
Sing it.
Have you ever lost someone so close to you? Have you ever lost someone that they mean the world to you? That it hurts so bad that you wish it wasn't true. Should pray, should pray. Our Father up in heaven, there's something above. Now do the brother, we're chatting here. Our Father give us the stay. I'm daily pray. Give us as we forgive others, and lead us not temptation. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. If you don't
Our
know it,
Father
then
in heaven above.
I can't remember how I go. How far? At least a
Our
temptation.
Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done. And this is another lesson of talking about, like singing, talking about talking.
I ain't know the words.
So,
Child in heaven, child in heaven, stay. Our daily bread, and forgive us as we forgive who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation. Deliver us from evil. Something like that. Our Father, our Father,
let's try to put some vocals out of our
sometimes I wish that the world wasn't that way. Would I understand? We just got to pray. I said 100%.
Push it out.
That the world is not in our hands.
We run it different.
Down, sit down by the river. Sit down by the river. When the birds are chirping all day, I go by that river and I continue to pray. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Kitty, kitty. Sit down by that river and going down the way. Sit down by that river in a place where we pray. Down by the river.
We're going to get the vocals out.
Down by the river, 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 when the storms is going on. Let's do it again.
Let me make sure I'm beat.
Let's do it again. Wanna be in the summertime with nothing on my mind. I don't care what they got to say. We're gonna make it happen any damn way. In the summertime, seeing things getting rough and they're getting tough. Wanna do it again.
One of the things I learned too, though, when you learn it, you learn what you need to learn, like sooner, like earlier when you was here. You learned a lot. As you keep going and going, you realize, okay, I done learned enough for the day. Because then your mind is telling you, okay, how I'm gonna do this, how I'm gonna do that. But you already did it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm
Just
saying?
take a little break. Take it.
He saw the best in.
I want to make sure. I want to see if I'm gonna beat. There you go.
If not, just make up something.
Okay.
Do whatever you Yeah. Now remember, I told you, let's say you stand on stage, there's people, and you in a
He
church.
saw the best in me when everyone else around me only to the
Stop
worst.
playing with the beat. Remember? Listen to the beat. The words, I think, is on the screen. He saw the best in me.
Let me see. Let me read it.
He saw the best.
Okay, wait till later.
He saw the best.
The song, the words on the screen.
But let me hear the beat because I ain't
Yeah,
gonna.
but you got to match the lyrics to it. That's why the song is already written that way.
No,
Now,
but
if you're gonna do it like freelancing, then
No.
you can do it.
I want to freelance it
Go
because
ahead.
before I map the lyrics, I don't even, I ain't even hear the beat right.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is when you do come in, you're coming in on a different verse. So if you're gonna say he saw the best in me, you need to find it in the song. You get what I'm saying?
Okay, well I'm gonna try to freestyle on. Just make sure
Okay,
I'm on
just-
beat.
okay.
Yeah, because that's the biggest thing. I ain't been on beat. That's an issue by itself. Let me see. He saw the best in me.
Shut up. Take your time.
He saw the best in me.
He saw the best in me. Yeah.
He saw the best in me.
He
Do it your way. You don't have to do it my way.
he saw the best in me. Said he saw the best in me. He saw the best in me.
Be free.
When everyone else around me could only see the worst in me.
Wanna see the worst in me.
He saw the best in me.
Like it's all I gotta think.
When everyone else around could only see the worst in me. I said he saw the best in me. Said he saw the best in me.
He saw the best in me.
When the world turns back on me.
Everyone around me.
When everyone around me. When everyone around.
See how you the beat you match after you match the beat.
When everyone around.
Again,
Man,
you
listen.
pronounce your words.
I'm burned out.
I know.
I'm burned out. Yeah, because I was training early. Then
But you did good all day, so that's the good.